Hey guys, as promised, here's my alternate Fire Mech build. This one actually came out okay. It's based on the old Mechwarrior series, and the inspiration comes from Raven. Now, Raven is a fast scout, so we don't need too many guns on this. So we can see we've got some close range machine guns on either side. We do have some rockets for medium range, and we've got a few fuel cells on the back. So this unit is quite mobile, and its Talon style feet help with getting it around places and for stability. So they just move out like that. Now he's got a full range of movement. If we just hold on to this bit here, and we can move him out like that. And he's actually quite stable as well. So if you try to do that with the original Ninjago Fire Mech, well, he would fall over. And this one here seems to have a great range, and you can have many different poses. So these are the pieces that I had left over. As you can see, there's quite a few pieces still. I was thinking I didn't have enough, but there's not enough solid pieces like this to actually build up structures. But I think the scale turned out okay. And there was no point in putting fire blasters on this because it is a scout, and it really just needs to identify the position of the enemies and report back. So this is why it only has limited guns. Now the guns themselves can actually move around like this, and also the main unit can go up and down as well. So this is if it needs to do a close range shot. Now, as with the Fire Mech, well, of course you can get a character in here. Now, obviously Kai's been a little bit busy, so we had to get Zane to help out. So Zane can just sit into the cockpit like that, and he has a couple of levers in there, so he can actually control the mech. So what do you think of this design? Do you like it? I think it turned out okay. In fact, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. And I really love some of the poses that you can get with this particular vehicle. If I bring his feet right back like that, we can actually get him to really crouch down. And that looks like a classic mech pose, wouldn't you say? So the playability is quite good on this one. I was thinking about maybe putting in some movable knees, but I didn't have enough pieces. So I guess what I really need to do is to get another couple of fire mechs, and that way I can utilize the pieces for maybe a bigger build. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Hope you've enjoyed this little Fire Mech alternate build. If you want me to do a full tutorial, it's going to take quite a few likes because it's going to be hard to actually show you how this is all put together. But hopefully just by looking at the actual design, you get a fair idea. And basically these legs are the same legs of the Fire Mech. They just happen to be stripped down a little bit off the sides. So that is my LEGO Ninjago Fire Mech alternate build. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, it's bye for now.